functions from the parent classes. For example, here in the BMW, let's add start and stop, which are responsible for starting and stopping the engine of the car. Console.log start engine. This functionality is common across the series. So 3 series also needs this, and the 5 series also needs these two. So stop will say stop engine. Now you can invoke these methods and use them on 3 series as well as 5 series. 3 series dot start, 3 series dot stop. Go to the browser, refresh, and right here, once it displays the details of the 3 series, it states start engine and stop engine. You can do the same on the 5 series as well. Copy and paste those two, change this to 5 series dot start and 5 series dot stop, refresh, and that will work as well. So it's that simple. You can also inherit the function properties, not just the data properties.